Hello, YouTube. This is a quick tool cart tour with Beard Mechanic. Damn it. What the hell? Okay, this is the cart. This is the top area. Pretty much sockets, a hammer, air gun, pry bars, screwdrivers, torque sticks, torque wrench, flashlight, next drawer, hammers, which is where this is supposed to be. Damn me, damn it. But yes, you have hammers, you have a hood prop, which is the best tool to have, and some wire brushes, and the handy dandy caliper tool. Next drawer, just a junk drawer, flashlights, multi-tool, and some other stuff, may have you. Next is pliers. This right here is the tool to have. Wrench extender. Beautiful thing. Oil filter pliers, adjustable wrenches, things like that. This is the money drawer. Battery power tools, ratchets, extensions, whatever I could have, I got in there. And then the last but not least, the wrench drawer. Pretty much this tool cart has everything that I use daily. So any type of wrenches and stuff like that that I use daily, I have right here. And then over here is where I have my air tools, die grinder, air ratchet, air gun, which goes right here. And then the handy dandy air gauge. Blue Point's best tool in my opinion. Pretty much everything in here, Snap-on, and minor Harbor Freights. And also, you know, some AST tools and stuff like that. Pretty much, guys, this is it. You know, some stickers had to be, had to not to be shown, but there I am, as well as the Rust Belt Mechanic, Squiggly Munchkin Mechanic, and JRC 54. Pretty much, guys, this is my daily use tools. Other tools are in my toolbox, which I will do a video for later. Guys, it is great to talk to you, everybody, and I hope everybody has a good day. Bearded out.